Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we'll be in the key of F, but I'm playing the key of E flat. Okay, so on today's video we wanna be learning a Nigerian chant song. Okay, a Nigerian chant song. So if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. Okay. So without much ado, like I said, we'll be in the key of F, but the song was done in the key of E flat. Okay. So the song was done by another person, but the cover that I'm doing was done by Sunmisola, right? So it was done in the key of E flat, but I'm playing the key of F. So in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 1. Okay, the same as the do, the re, the mi, the fa, the so, the la, the ti, and the do. Okay, so without much ado, okay, I will be showing you the song that we'll be learning for today. Okay, but let's check the chord progression. Okay, this will be a very short video. Okay, so let's go. We are doing this particular chord here. Okay, so what am I playing? I'm doing the G, I'm doing the D, I'm doing the F. Okay, my right hand is playing the B flat, the D, and the G. Alright, then we play this particular chord. So what am I playing? I'm playing the B flat, I'm playing the F. Right hand, I'm also playing the B flat, I'm playing the D, I'm playing the F. Alright. Alright. So this is the first chord. Okay. This is the second chord. Alright. Then let's check the third chord progression of this particular song. Okay, so we are doing this. Alright. This is a very basic chord progression for this particular song. Okay, so I'm doing the F, I'm doing the C, I'm doing the F. Right hand, I'm doing the A, I'm doing the C, I'm doing the F. Okay, so in all you have this. Okay. Okay, so far we have 3 chords. Okay, the first is this, the second is this, the third chord is this. Alright, let's add another chord to this particular song. Okay, so which is this particular chord. Alright, so what is that? Okay, that is the C, that is the G, all on the left. Okay, the right hand is doing the C, the E, and the G. Okay, so you have this. Okay, there's one thing that anytime I'm playing I like to do, okay, is to add the D chord, the D note, the D note. Anytime I'm playing the 5th chord, okay, so that it will sound much heavier, okay, not light like this, okay, like this. Alright, it's just something that I love doing, okay, and I think it really helps. So you can also inculcate in your play. Anytime you are playing the 5 chord, don't just play this, just add the D to it, okay. Alright, it just makes it blend very nicely. Okay, so let's check the chord progression so far, then I'll sing the song so that we'll apply the chords we have learned. Okay, so it goes from this, then okay, so let's check the song. Okay, Owo Oluwa Gloria Ombe mi fo, ombe mi saye, Owo Oluwa Gloria mi o, ombe mi fo, ombe mi saye. Ombe Misai, Owo Oluwa Ambe, Gloria Yemi o. Ombe mi fo, Ombe Misai, Owo Oluwa Ambe, Gloria Yemi o. Ombe mi fo, Ombe Misai. Alright, that is a chord progression for this particular song. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye.